Have you ever pondered the benefits of aligning your diet with the changing seasons? Imagine biting into a juicy, ripe apple plucked straight from the tree in the crisp fall air, or savoring the sweet burst of a sun-kissed berry picked at the height of summer. This is the essence of seasonal eating, a concept that's gaining popularity for its emphasis on freshness, taste, nutritional content, and environmental sustainability. By choosing fruits and vegetables that naturally grow and ripen in each season, we ensure that we're consuming produce at its peak, rich in flavor and packed with nutrients. But the benefits don't stop there. Seasonal eating also supports local farming communities and reduces the carbon footprint associated with long-distance food transportation. It's a win-win for our health, our taste buds, and our planet. As we delve deeper into this topic, you'll discover why eating with the seasons could be a game-changer for your health and the environment. Understanding what's in season is the first step towards embracing this wholesome approach to eating. As we dive into our seasonal food guide, let's start by acknowledging the beautiful rhythm of nature. Each season brings us a unique variety of fruits and vegetables, each with their special flavor and nutritional profile. In the rejuvenating season of spring, the earth awakens and our plates are graced with the likes of asparagus, strawberries, peas, and radishes. Asparagus, with its distinctive taste and rich supply of vitamins A, C, and K, marks the arrival of warmer days. Strawberries, sweet and juicy, are a treasure trove of antioxidants. Peas, tender and fresh, are a great source of fiber and plant-based protein. And let's not forget radishes, crunchy and peppery, adding a burst of color and a dose of vitamin C to our meals. Then comes the bountiful summer, a time of plenty. Tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and an array of berries make their appearance. Tomatoes, ripe and luscious, are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Cucumbers, crisp and cooling, are perfect for hydration on hot summer days. Bell peppers, in all their colorful glory, are an excellent source of vitamins A and C. And berries, sweet or tart, are little powerhouses of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. As the leaves start to fall, autumn graces us with apples, pumpkins, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Apples, crunchy and sweet, are a great source of dietary fiber. Pumpkins, with their rich, sweet flesh, are loaded with beta-carotene. Sweet potatoes, earthy and satisfying, offer a healthy dose of vitamin A and fiber. And Brussels sprouts, with their unique flavor, are a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamins K and C. Finally, winter arrives, bringing with it citrus fruits, kale, pomegranates, and root vegetables. Citrus fruits, vibrant and tangy, are known for their impressive vitamin C content. Kale, hearty and robust, is a nutritional superstar, loaded with vitamins A, K, and C, and a good source of calcium. Pomegranates, with their jewel-like seeds, are rich in antioxidants. And root vegetables, warming and filling, are packed with fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. By eating in tune with the seasons, you'll ensure that your body gets a varied range of nutrients throughout the year. Not only will you be able to relish the freshest, most flavorful produce, but you'll also be supporting your local farmers and contributing to a more sustainable food system. Just imagine, biting into a juicy strawberry in spring, savoring a sun-ripened tomato in summer, enjoying a crisp apple in autumn, and tucking into a hearty bowl of root vegetables in winter. This is the joy of seasonal eating. This is the joy of connecting with nature's rhythm, of nourishing your body with the best nature has to offer, season after season. By eating in tune with the seasons, you'll ensure that your body gets a varied range of nutrients throughout the year. Now that you know what's in season, the next step is to find these fresh and flavorful ingredients. One fantastic way to do this is by visiting your local farmers markets. Not only do these markets offer a cornucopia of fresh fruits and vegetables, but they also provide a platform for you to engage directly with the farmers. These interactions can be invaluable as you learn more about how your food is grown, the best time to buy certain produce, and even pick up a few preparation tips. Beyond the fresh produce, farmers markets also champion community spirit and contribute to local economies. By shopping at these markets, you're supporting local farmers and reducing the carbon footprint associated with long-distance food transportation. Now, that's a win-win situation. If you're looking to take your commitment to local seasonal eating a step further, consider joining a community-supported agriculture or CSA program. In a CSA, you purchase a share of a local farm's harvest. Every week, you'll receive a box filled with a variety of fresh seasonal produce directly from the farm. It's like having your personal farmer's market delivered to your doorstep. But what happens when the season for your favorite fruit or vegetable ends? Well, that's where preservation comes into play. By learning basic preservation methods such as canning, freezing, or fermenting, you can continue to enjoy your favorite seasonal produce all year round. Imagine savoring a delicious strawberry jam in the depths of winter, made from strawberries you picked and preserved yourself during the summer. Sounds delightful, doesn't it? Remember, seasonal eating is not just about what you eat, but also about how and where you source your food. By shopping locally, you're not only getting the freshest and most nutritious ingredients, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable food system. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to embracing a more sustainable and nutritious way of eating. Of course, knowing what's in season and where to find it is only half the battle. The real fun begins in the kitchen. Cooking with seasonal ingredients is a joy, as their flavors are at their peak. Let's dive into a couple of mouth-watering recipes that make the most of each season's bounty. Kicking things off with spring, we have a refreshing strawberry spinach salad. This dish is as visually appealing as it is nutritious. You'll need fresh spinach leaves, sliced strawberries, sliced almonds, crumbled goat cheese, and a simple dressing made from olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Toss the spinach, strawberries, and almonds together, drizzle with the dressing, and top with crumbled goat cheese. The result is a vibrant salad that packs a punch of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. Next, we have a heartwarming pea and mint soup. This soup is a true celebration of spring with its bright green color and fresh flavors. You'll need fresh peas, vegetable broth, chopped mint, onion, and a swirl of cream for that touch of indulgence. Cook the peas and onion in the broth until soft, add the mint, and blend until smooth. The soup is wonderfully creamy and bursting with the fresh taste of peas and mint. As we move into summer, let's try a vibrant vegetable stir-fry. This recipe allows you to use a mix of bell peppers, zucchini, eggplant, cherry tomatoes, and fresh basil. The trick to a good stir-fry is to keep the vegetables crunchy and vibrant, so make sure not to overcook them. A simple sauce of soy, ginger, garlic, and a bit of honey perfectly complements the fresh vegetables. Another simple summer recipe is our tomato and basil pasta. For this, we will need fresh cherry tomatoes, basil, garlic, olive oil, and whole grain pasta. To prepare, we simply sauté garlic, add halved cherry tomatoes until soft, toss with cooked pasta, and finish with fresh basil. A simple, fresh dish that celebrates the flavors of summer. Next, we will look at our fall recipe. Fall calls for heartier fare, and nothing says comfort like a bowl of pumpkin soup. Start by roasting your pumpkin to bring out its natural sweetness. Then sauté onions and garlic, add your pumpkin and some vegetable broth, and let everything simmer until it's soft and flavorful. Blend until smooth, and serve with a dollop of cream and a sprinkle of roasted pumpkin seeds for an extra crunch. Another simple fall recipe is roasted sweet potato and quinoa salad. For this, we need cubed sweet potatoes, cooked quinoa, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and a dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, honey, salt, and pepper. To begin, we will roast sweet potatoes until tender, mix with cooked quinoa, cranberries, and pumpkin seeds. Dress and serve warm or at room temperature. Finally, for winter, we have a warming citrus and kale salad. This salad is a great way to enjoy the robust flavors of winter produce. Tossed in a simple vinaigrette, the kale becomes tender, and the citrus fruits add a refreshing tanginess. Top it with some roasted nuts for added crunch and flavor. Alternatively, we go for a delicious butternut squash risotto. The ingredients for this recipe are cubed butternut squash, arborio rice, vegetable broth, onion, Parmesan cheese, and sage. To prepare, we roast butternut squash until tender. In another pan, sauté onion. Add rice, cook while gradually adding broth until creamy. Stir in squash and Parmesan. Serve with sage. These recipes are not just delicious, they are also a celebration of each season's unique offerings. They highlight the natural flavors and nutritional benefits of seasonal produce, making eating with the seasons a delight. Remember, these are just starting points. Feel free to play around with ingredients and flavors based on what's fresh and available in your region. These recipes are a delicious way to celebrate each season and nourish your body with the best that nature has to offer. Eating with the seasons can bring a whole new dimension to your diet. By aligning our meals with nature's cycles, we get to enjoy an array of fresh, flavorful, and nutritionally dense produce, all the while supporting local agriculture and reducing our carbon footprint. Remember, each season brings its unique bounty, from the crisp asparagus and juicy strawberries of spring to the hearty root vegetables of winter. Embrace the change of seasons and let it guide your shopping, cooking, and eating. Visit your local farmers markets. Consider joining a community-supported agriculture program. and learn to preserve your favorite seasonal delights for year-round enjoyment. Experiment with the provided recipes, and don't be afraid to create your own. Let the seasons inspire your culinary adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the seasons. Here's to healthier, tastier, and more sustainable eating. We hope you've enjoyed our guide to seasonal eating and are as excited as we are to embrace the bounty each season brings. Now, we want to hear from you. What seasonal foods are you looking forward to trying? Do you have a favorite recipe featuring seasonal produce? Share your experiences, ideas, and questions in the comments below. If you want more tips on health, nutrition, and sustainable living, make sure to check out our other videos. And if you found this video helpful, show us some love by hitting the like button, sharing it with your friends, and leaving a comment. Stay connected with us for more informative and engaging content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, eat with the seasons and enjoy the unique flavors and nutritional benefits they have to offer. Until next time.